Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an essential component of warehouse storage solution, pallet racking. I'm May and I am excited to share some valuable insights with you in this video. Before we divide it into the details, let's talk about the different types of pallet racking available in the market. Understanding these options will help you choose the right racking systems for your specific needs. Okay, now the first one is selective pallet racking. The most common type is selective pallet racking. It's a versatile solution that offers easy access to every pallet, ideal for warehouses with diverse product lines or frequently changing inventory. And number 2 is drive-in, or we can call it drive-through pallet racking. Drive-in and drive-through racking systems maximize the storage density by allowing forklifts to drive into the racks. They are great for high-density storage of products like perishable goods or bulk storage. And the third one is pushback racking. Pushback racking is designed to maximize the storage capacity while maintaining selectivity. It operates on a last-in, first-out principle, where new pallets push existing ones back. It's perfect for high-volume storage with limited SKUs. And the next one is cantilever racking. Cantilever racking is specially designed to store long and bulky items, such as pebbles, lumber, or steel bars. It features horizontal arms that extend from vertical columns, providing easy access and efficient organization. Now that we have covered the different types, let's discuss some of the key benefits of the pallet racking systems. Now the first one, increase the storage capacity. Pallet racking maximizes your warehouse space by efficiently utilizing vertical space. With proper planning and layout, you can significantly increase your storage capacity, allowing for more inventory and improved productivity. And the second one, easy accessibility. By organizing your inventory on pallets and using a racking system, you gain quick and easy access to each pallet. This makes the loading and unloading operations more efficient, saving time and reducing labor costs. And the next one is enhanced inventory management. Pallet racking helps optimize inventory management. With proper labeling and organizing strategies, you can easily track and locate products, reducing errors and improving order fulfillment accuracy. And the next one is improved safety. Safety is the paramount in any warehouse. Pallet racking systems are designed with safety features like loading capacity, indicators, bin connectors, and ensure protection. These precautions ensure the well-being of your employees and protect your inventory. That brings us to the end of this video on pallet racking. We discussed the different types available and highlighted the benefits they bring to your warehouse operations. Whether you are a small business or a large-scale distribution center, pallet racking is a crucial investment to optimize your storage space and improve overall efficiency. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and we will see you next time.
I mark the end with this last